Hey guys, activity 3 is going to involve just taking a look at setting up student accounts as well as parent accounts. Now that we set up our teacher account and set up our first group, we need to take a look at bringing in our students as well as our parents into this. Parents can be the greatest advocates, and it's going to be key to get them involved with this as well. So you're at your page here, in this case my first period Algebra 1. We've already went through and checked out the members and the managing certain things here. Now what you need to do is click on Account. Now this goes for anything else, and click on the Help here over here to the right. What this is going to send you to is basically to the Help Center, where if there's something that we don't discuss here in the modules, you can also take a look at and get quite acquainted with here as well. The help topic is, as you scroll down, getting started, your groups, etc. What I want you to do first and foremost is we're going to look at the student signups. So go ahead and click on the student sign up for me. And this is basically a step-by-step process for the students, what they could do, how to go about setting it up. And they actually give you a how-to video. And I would make this probably your first assignment for students maybe of the year or getting into this, is in taking a look at this and how to create an account. This is nothing more on schooltube.com. So you just click play. It's just a step-by-step on what the students are going to do to create their account. But we don't have to look at this right now. You guys can take a look at that later if you want to, but that would be my first suggestion. And again, make sure you give them that code, how to log on to that 6-digit, as you see up top here, 6-digit group code, because if they don't have it, they're not getting into that class. Now let's take a quick look at the parent accounts. And with the parent accounts, they're also going to need to have a code. We'll get to that code here real quick, but this is just a nice setup on basically what the parents can do, how they can go about logging in. If you click on this sample letter, and I'll actually show you down here, what will pop up is a pre already done sample letter, basically talking about what Edmodo is, how you can use it, and sort of a step-by-step process on how to go about using it, and then you can type in the unique code for that specific child. Let's go back to here. So they can look through here, and this is basically within the parent account homepage. Parents can do the following, give them a good synopsis on what they can do, and you could show them maybe that as well, and send them this link too, so they can physically see what's going on, and that what they can do as a parent to take a look at their child's stuff. Now as far as getting the parent codes, let's click back to Edmodo, and let's click on the Manage section by your members. Make sure it's for the group here, so click on the Manage section. And what you want to do is click on the member list over here with stats, or even the parent code spreadsheet. Either one of those will pop up a unique 6-digit code that will give them specific abilities to see what their child and their child alone is doing. So if you click on this, and this is actually a pretty cool thing. You can click on what you want, what you don't want, but it's going to give you a layout for each student. Now I'm the only one in here, but as you see, let me cancel this. It gives you the learning style, the career goals, number of badges, which we'll talk about later, the notification, more importantly the parent code, which will go in line with each specific student. So that's just a rundown of the parent codes as well as the student codes.